Good morning, students. I am Assistant Professor Jasprit Kaur. Today, I will teach you noun. It is the part of a grammar. First of all, I will explain you the meaning of a noun. What is a noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, or thing. It also explains the feeling, state, and action of a mind of a person. So, a noun is called the naming words. These are called the naming words because these are the names of the things. For example, Taj Mahal, Patiala. These are the names of a Taj Mahal is the name of a monument and Patiala is the name of a city. So we can also call noun as a naming word. Then I explain characteristics of a noun. First is the possessive case. The nouns have a possessive case like John's book, Rita's pen. The post office made it a possessive case. Then second is the preceded by articles. The nouns are preceded by the articles. For example, an apple, the Taj Mahal. These are the articles and the nouns preceded by them. Third is the most nouns take plurals by using s like chair, chairs, pen, pens, pencil, pencils. So, I will explain 5 types of nouns. There are 5 types of noun. First is a proper noun. Proper noun is the name of a person, place or a thing of. It is also name of a book also. For example, Taj Mahal, Patiala. These are the proper name of a place, like Patiala is a place and Taj Mahal is a monument and the book name is the Bible. Bible is the name of a particular book. Second is the common noun. Common noun, the name of a person or a place which is common for all. Like boy is used for all the male members and girl is used for all the female members. Okay. The common noun is further divided into 2 parts, countable noun and uncountable noun. Countable noun are the nouns which is divided into singular and plural. It is also countable. For example, chair, pen, pencil, table, fan. These are the countable nouns and uncountable nouns are those nouns which we cannot divide it into singular or plural and we cannot count them like rice, wheat, etc. And the third one is the abstract noun. The abstract noun expresses the feeling, emotion, statement, action of a person. For example, in feeling love, honesty, we can only feel and we cannot show to others. And in action, mischief, theft, these are the noun. And the state, childhood, adolescence, adulthood, these are the statements. And these are the abstract noun. Fourth one is the collective noun. The noun which we used for a group of a persons is called a collective noun. For example, crowd, army, class. As I explained, the students 30 or 50 are sitting in a class and we call it a class for the whole group, those who are sitting in a classroom. And the fifth one is a material noun. The words which we use for the materialistic things are called material nouns. For example, gold, silver, wood, etc. Now I explain the further topic which is related to the noun, that is the gender, means sex. Gender is divided into 4 parts. Masculine means for the male member and the feminine means for the female member and common means for the both like student, doctor, teacher. We use for the both male and the female. And the neuter. Neuter means neither for the boy nor for the girl. These are the nouns like pen, chair, copy, etc. So that's all about the noun. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, and also explain the feelings, emotions of the person. So this is all about the noun. And now I explain in a detail. Masculine nouns are boy, doctor, masculine male, boy, lion, dog. These are the masculine, and the feminine girl, lioness, bitch. Common are teacher, doctor, lawyer, etc. And neuter are pen, chair, book, fan. These are the neuter genders. So this is all about the noun. Is it clear to all? If you want to ask any question, then you can ask me. Otherwise, I ask you a questions from, like I will write here. He is working in a college. In this sentence, please underline the noun, which is a noun here. College. College is a noun. Which noun is this? Common noun. Proper noun is the name of a college. Okay. This is a common noun. Like this. She is reading the Bible. In this sentence, which is a noun? Bible. And the Bible is which noun? Proper noun. Very good. Bible is a proper noun. This is the proper name of a book. Thank you.